Thermador offers two very different 60-inch dual fuel ranges in their lineup. In this video, you'll learn the features and problems to buying a Thermador 60-inch dual fuel range. Let's have a look. Thermador has two ranges, only in dual fuel and not all gas. Both Thermador 60-inch ranges have the same burners with one 22,000 BTU max burner. The rest are 18 and 15,000 BTU. Their extra low simmer is intermittent, which means it will cycle on and off to maintain an exceptionally low temperature of just 100 BTU on two of their burners. Both have 6 burners and an electric double griddle. Griddles can cook anything, but electric does take time to heat versus the instant on of a gas you will see in the other brands. However, one model offers 2 regular convection ovens, while the other model features a regular convection oven and a steam oven. Steam adds moisture and doesn't bake out the nutrients. Without a doubt, steam is the healthiest way to cook and the most flavorful. Even leftovers taste better when reheated in a steam oven. The warming drawer below can keep food warm for up to 3 hours, so if you cook and serve at different times, the drawer will keep your food warm without turning it to mush like a microwave does. Thermador also offers different recipes through its Home Connect app. So in addition to the basic smart functionality, you can learn how to cook in that steam oven. Thermador is interesting, especially with steam functionality, but whether it's right for you depends on how you use it. If you want more information about other 60-inch Pro range options, click this video, and thanks for watching.